Do you have a dingy, dirty shower and bathtub? Scale built up on the inside of your dishwasher? Spotted dishes? And faucets coated with crud? The root of the problem is contaminants in your water. And if you don't fix your water, you're forced to repeat the drudgery of cleaning everything over and over, month after month, year after year. Each of these problems is caused by hard water minerals that are dissolved in groundwater. This water is then pumped to the surface by municipal or private wells and piped into your home. They enter your home, and when the water dries, it leaves a coating of rock, dissolved calcium, magnesium, and iron that sticks to everything it touches, waiting to be removed with your elbow grease and chemical cleaners. So reduce these hard water minerals before they foul your home by purchasing a Culligan whole home water filter. Culligan's water filters soften the water by removing the bedrock minerals as they enter your home. Save money, protect every tap, every room, everyone in your home with a Culligan whole home water filter. For a limited time, get a Culligan whole home water filter for only $9.95 per month for the first 3 months. Take advantage of this limited offer by clicking on the link below.